Eric! Okay, we got this little baby running a couple of weeks ago, and now it's being a little contrary.
What is this? You want to tell everybody what this is?
We're bottle feeding it.
No, I mean the car, Doug.
54 Chevy.
Oh. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
It is? Huh.
I'm good at that.
Yeah, you're too tall.
Yeah, all weekend long.
I was gonna say.
Something extra on Monday morning. Just wants a little something extra for Monday. Gas.
I ought to put a whole gallon in it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Give it a squirt in the overflow to get some in the, so it'll pump through the jets there.
Come on, girl.
Grandma used to have a car like this. Here we go. Squeaky clutch. I won't do a burn off. So far so good, everybody. Clutches needs a little lube in there. When was the last time any of you drove one of these old girls? Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What do you think, Doug?
The old girl did pretty well. Couple of bucks, but pretty good for a 64-year-old car.
Fixing a little rust on a Corvette. Sounds weird.
Yeah, I'm not too familiar with how these fiberglass bodies are mounted.
I wasn't either, but since you're here, come on in. So they call this metal structure a birdcage.
Interesting.
Why? I don't know. It doesn't really look like a bird cage, but it kind of looks like a cage. But it's just basically a metal roll cage that's got the whole car fiberglass to it. So it's just the roof hoop, the door hoops, I guess you can call it that, and then the pillars. And it goes across, and then it's got bars right here. That's about it, and then everything else is fiberglass. And I've seen some pictures on the internet where people completely take all the fiberglass off and I guess they either rebuild the bird cage or clean it up or whatever and then put it all back on, which is super invasive and not really worth doing on this one, so that's why we're just doing this.
Sounds pretty crazy.
But yeah, it's bird cage, kind of weird. Didn't know that.
Is there more spots like this that y'all found, or just?
This the other side, but
But
it's already,
other than that, it's pretty good.
yeah, it's already done if you want to check it out.
Oh yeah.
Well, I need to sand it, but there it is.
Okay, so you've already even repatched the fiberglass panel.
I took the same chunk out as the other side, did the same metal repair. We got these new, I guess, drip rails, and whatever you want to call that. These are expensive too. It's like $800 for, no, $400 a side, so $800 total.
Wow. For basically a drip rail, and what's that piece right there?
I don't even know that.
Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about.
That piece.
That piece.
So, once we get that, I think that's about all the rest. There might be a few little bits in the window frame, but we'll do that. And then get this thing some kind of coating on it so I won't be itching every day.
Yeah, how was last week? Because you were working on this thing quite a bit.
Wasn't too bad. I got I messed up and wore shorts the first day, and I just got all in my legs, so I couldn't even wear pants after that. So now I'm wearing pants after I got it all out of my system over the weekend. But
I kept telling you last week you should wear
pantyhose.
Interesting. Are you gonna rob a bank?
Yeah.
You stick that over your face? Is that how you work on it?
This is how you get the fiberglass out of your arm. Just like that. And you can go to sleep at night.
I think if you just wore it over your face to begin with, then you wouldn't have fiberglass issues.
I wouldn't have very many issues either if I did that, like a bank robber.
I think that's OSHA approved.
This is a stick up. So you can also use either. Can you take me serious or not?
Yeah, I don't know. I want to see what's gonna happen with the baby powder now.
So my mustache is sticking through.
I feel like this is like a premise for one of the Wayans Brothers movies right here.
Now you just do a little. Put a little clog your pores up with this. Now I'm ready to work on a Corvette.
Problem?
Trying to make the motor, there's nothing to mount the front of the stand to. It's for a small block Chevrolet. We're trying to make it work, so the weight of the motor is going to spread the legs out, so we have to fab up something, hold it together. It'll make it. It walks hatchy anyway.
Getting this motor ready to go to WCH.
What motor is this for?
This is for our Challenger.
Oh yeah. Isn't that supposed to be coming back from blasting soon?
Yes. You are well informed.
Doug, quit saving stuff.
I don't remember doing that. I don't remember saving the pinata. I think I was set up for that one. Anyways, thanks for watching.
What do I even look like? I guess.
Use your phone, dude.
You can still tell that's me. I would get caught if I robbed a bank. You gotta do like this.
Yeah, you gotta.
I don't like the way that looks.
Now it's working the throat.
I didn't even catch it till like over here. He's all died.
For all you viewers, there is a throat to a carburetor.